It's grammar time with Mina. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all okay. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. Today's lesson is about two English verb tenses, the simple past and the past perfect. There are two playlists about these two tenses on my channel. I suggest watching them if you want more details about these two tenses. You can find the links to those lessons in the description of this video. So let's start. Are you ready?
Past perfect tense and simple past tense.
Both tenses are used to talk about things that happened before now. Before now means the past. We use simple past tense to talk about things that started and finished in the past.
For example, I drank coffee at 8. I made lunch at 8:15. I cleaned the house at 8:30. Drank, made, cleaned are past verbs.
Past perfect is used to talk about at least two past actions. We want to show that one action happened before another action in the past. If we want to talk about that first action, we use past perfect tense. Look at the simple past sentences once again.
I drank coffee at 8. I made lunch at 8:15. I cleaned the house at 8:30. Let's put them on this timeline. This is now, and here are the past actions. Drank coffee, made lunch, and cleaned the house. These two actions happened before cleaning the house. So I can say, when I cleaned the house, I had drunk coffee and I had made lunch. Look at the timeline and the past actions once again. This action happened before making lunch, so I can say, I had drunk coffee when I made lunch.
So, if you want to talk about at least two connected actions in the past, use past perfect for the earlier action.
We have two past actions. For the earlier action, for the first action, we use past perfect tense.
And if you want to talk about past actions that started and finished in the past, use simple past. Pay attention that
these past events are not necessarily connected. The focus isn't on the connectivity between the actions.
The two playlists on my channel about simple past and past perfect contain everything you need. A lot of examples, positive and negative sentences, yes/no questions, a lot of explanations. So make sure to go back and watch them. But here we will take a quick look at the structures.
Look at this table. I picked the verb eat. We know that eat is the base verb, ate is the simple past, and eaten is the past participle form of verb. So in simple past we use ate, and in past perfect we use eaten. A positive simple past sentence follows the same rule for all the subjects. Ate an apple. I ate an apple. You ate an apple, and so on. Past perfect positive sentences also have the same rule for all the subjects. Use had and PP form of verb. Had eaten an apple. I had eaten an apple. You had eaten an apple, and so on for the other subjects. Past perfect negative sentences are easily made. Use not. Put it right after had. I had not eaten an apple. In contraction, you can say hadn't. Pay attention, the verb is still in PP form. For simple past negative sentences, we use did not. In contraction, didn't. Be careful. After didn't, the verb is not in past form anymore. You have to change it to base form. The correct verb is eat. And it's the same for all the subjects. I didn't eat an apple. You didn't eat an apple, and so on. For simple past yes/no questions, use did. Subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, and it, and verb, which is in base form. Here, eat an apple. Answer yes, I did, you did, we did, they did, he did, she did, or it did. No, I didn't, or no, you didn't. It's the same for all the subjects. And finally, past perfect yes/no questions. Start with had, then the subjects, which are I, you, we, they, he, she, and it, and eaten an apple, the PP form of verb. Answer yes, I had, or no, I hadn't. No, you hadn't. No, we hadn't. It's the same for all the subjects.
I'm really into these comparing tables. They are perfect for everything. I recommend it to everyone for everything. Okay, it's practice time. I give you some sentences and it's you who should decide which tense is correct.
I blank before I blank. Use take a shower and go to work to complete the sentence. Which is the first action in your idea? Yes, take a shower. So use past perfect for it and use simple past for the other action.
I didn't say the answers, but I helped you in this one. Next ones are yours.
She blank when she blank. Use the verbs brush her teeth and go to bed. Another one. Dad blank before the children blank. You have the two verbs make popcorn and come home. And finally, the train blank the station when they blank. They were too late. Use the two verbs leave and arrive in the correct forms.
I know it can be confusing to choose the correct verb tense, but believe me, you can master it by practicing more often. So write your sentences in comments for me. Review what you've learned regularly. It's the key to progress. Thanks for watching this video. It means a lot to me to subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video with your friends. Stay around for upcoming videos. Goodbye for now.